Hello. So today we'll be discussing about the pixel extended ROM in the Moto G5 Plus. So as you can see here in the display, so we'll go on to the settings and the features that you can see here. We have an extra option here which excludes it with other custom ROM. This is the feature here. As you can see here, there are 4 sub options below. Each is unique with their own setting. So here we can adjust the vibrate for indicate call status, the G visual mode. We can also use heads up notifications, which is similar with other ROMs. We have here double tap to sleep feature, lock screen charging info, which shows here the information like this, as you can see here below, including the ampere, watt, volt and the temperature during charging. Also we can use here the music visualizer app, which gives an aesthetic feel. To show a 4G icon instead of LTE. Also this feature which I like is the double tap on status bar to sleep, which helps us to avoid the use of the power button, as use of power button in the long run can damage it. We can also customize the clock, including seconds it can be shown, and we can also adjust the position where it shows, like in the center, top, right or left. We can change the brightness slider from top to bottom, which we can't do in other OS. We can enable or disable the navigation bar below like this. Advanced restart option, long press for torch. We can use volume button to wake our device. And the similar features with other OS like Wi-Fi, mobile data and all. But in these custom ROM, we can't disable any SIM. We just have to eject it out. But in the stock ROM and some other like MIUI ROM or Realme ROM, we can manually disable it without removing the SIM, which is a very useful feature. One feature which helps us during charging is the use of the smart charging, through which we can stop charging at certain percentage, preventing the exploding of battery due to overcharging. One additional feature in this ROM is the enabling of blur effect. Then gradual increase in ring volume, which is seen in most of the Android 11 OS. We have a separate option here. Then the regular moto action gestures. Then so that makes the pixel extended ROM. So this is the first video that's going to be published in YouTube on pixel extended ROM for Moto G5 Plus. Okay, thank you.